why is my lender telling me that I should take a conventional loan when I'm a veteran and I'm eligible for a VA loan? Why is that happening? Well, there's probably a couple reasons behind that. And a main reason why a lot of people are pushing for a conventional loan is because as a lender, it's probably easier for them to do a conventional loan than it is for them to do a VA loan. Because a VA loan has additional paperwork that's required, and with the additional paperwork comes extra work. So it'd be much easier on the other side of things to just do a conventional loan. So I've been in lending for 18 years now, and one of the things that I really fight for is to make sure that the veterans get qualified for their VA loan, because it is the best loan out there, and there's 90% of the time it is the best loan for the veteran to take. There's a couple instances that it may be better for a conventional loan, but they're very few and far between. There's 3 distinct benefits that make it more important for someone to take a VA loan over a conventional loan. The first one is if you don't have 20% down, the VA loan has no PMI. So you can borrow 100% financing, no PMI. The other reason why, second reason why, is that the VA loans typically have a little bit of a lower interest rate. So you get a little bit of a better rate because it's a VA loan versus it being a conventional. Now, the third reason why it's usually a better loan, VA loan is actually guaranteed by the government. And if something happens to where the house is foreclosed on, the only thing that happens is you'll no longer be able to have that amount eligible to you to use as a VA loan unless you pay that loan back. So there's no recourse on the loan, like the bank isn't going to come after you to try to get the money after the loan has been, the house has been foreclosed on. So if your house is foreclosed on a VA loan, then you don't have to pay the loan back, and the lender doesn't have any right to come chase you after it. So on a conventional loan, they could potentially come chase you after the money from what the house sold for and what you owed on it, which is called the deficiency balance. So that's the third reason why a VA loan is typically a better loan to take. Now, it's better most of the time, so in that situation, you can go after it. Here's the reason why I'm always excited and always try to help veterans get to use their VA loans. It's because in the past, my dad's a veteran and he's actually a disabled veteran, and he's eligible to get a VA loan with no funding fee and no PMI. And at one point in time, they were buying a house and the lender said, no, you don't want to use a VA loan. You want to get a conventional loan. It'll be great. It'll be fine. And my dad ended up with a loan that had PMI, and it was not nearly as good a rate as what it would have been in the VA. The only reason I wasn't able to help him, I wasn't in the state that he was buying the house in, and it was very early in my career. It was back like when I was a year in the business, and I really didn't understand the VA loans back then, and at the time I was only in my early 20s. So that's why I always fight to get veterans the VA loan.